Hey guys, welcome back to Digital Digest, and in this video I'm going to show you how to turn off your Norton Antivirus. Alright, let's get started. So over here I have written down some steps that you can use to turn off your Norton Antivirus. So here, first, to turn off your Norton Antivirus, what you have to do is you have to turn off your firewall features and you have to disable the auto protect as well. So first, what you have to do is in the taskbar, what you have to do is right click the Norton product icon and click on disable auto protect. And next, what you can do is you can select a duration. So 15 minutes is provided as recommended time, but you can click more options to choose different length of time. So now next what you have to do is ignore the alert by simply closing the alert. Next what you can do is right click the Norton product icon and then click on disable start firewall and then select the duration that you'd like. And then after you select the duration, what you have to do is you have to ignore the alert once again and then close it, and then click on turn off Norton protection. Now your Norton protection is temporarily turned off, so it will be automatically turned on after the duration that you had selected. So here, turning off your Norton computer actually leaves your computer vulnerable to the attack. So it is generally not recommended to turn off your Norton protection, but if you really need to do it, these were the steps that you can follow to turn off your Norton antivirus. Thank you for watching this video, and I'll see you on the next one. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more videos like this.